Good morning, all. Myself, Arshdeep Kaur, a member of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today, we are here to study the second chapter of your English grammar, that is, word formation. In this chapter, you will learn about first, root words, second, prefix, third, suffix, and fourth, compound words. Let us study about them in detail. What is a root word? A root word is a word part that can form the basis of new words through the addition of prefix and suffix. Let us understand some of the root words with the help of examples. The first root word is astro. Meaning of this root word is star. The words formed out of this root word is astronaut, astronomy. The second root word is odd, meaning hair. The words formed out of this root word are audience, audio. The third root word is auto. The meaning of this root word is self. The words formed out of this root word are autonomy, automatic. Moving ahead, we will learn about the meaning of prefix. Letters added before a root at the beginning of a word are termed as prefix. Let us understand this with the help of few examples. The first prefix is anti. The meaning of this prefix is against, opposite. Example, antipod. The definition is direct opposite. Use, north is antipod of south. The second prefix is super. Meaning of this prefix is above, over. Example, supervisor. Definition of this prefix is one who watches over. Use. The supervisor prescribed the steps in which order must be filed out. The third prefix is intro. Meaning is within. Example, introvert. Definition of this prefix is a shy or a withdrawn person. Use. Jan is an introvert whose only hobby is reading. The last prefix is post, meaning after. Example of this prefix is postscript. Definition, a message added after the closure of a letter. Use. In a postscript to her letter, she promised to write again soon. Next, we will learn about suffix. Letters added after the root at the end of the word are called as suffix. Let us understand this with the help of few examples. The first suffix is er, that is, meaning the person who connected to. Example, drive. If we add er suffix in the word drive, it becomes driver. Definition, driver means a person who drives. Use, if the driver wasn't hurt, she might be able to help. The next suffix is able. Meaning of this suffix is can be. Example, affordable. Definition, reasonably priced. Our aim is to provide quality goods at affordable price. The next suffix is less. Meaning of this suffix is without. If we add hope with less, it becomes hopeless. Definition, feeling or causing despair. Use, Jess looked at him in mute hopeless appeal. The next suffix is full, meaning full of. Example, colorful. Definition, full of colors. Use, people dress colorfully in that culture. Next, we will learn about the meaning of compound words. When two or more words are used together to yield a new meaning, a compound word is formed. Let us understand this with the help of few examples. How a compound word is formed. If we add grand plus parents, it becomes grandparents. Second, if we add life plus line, it becomes lifeline. Third, if we add needle plus work, it becomes needlework. Fourth, if we add light plus house, it becomes lighthouse. Hope so you all have understood about this. Thank you.